줄 한번 서보세요. 계단 밑에서 한번 서볼까? 계단 밑에서. 계단 밑에서. 오늘 안 힘들었어요, 오늘? 네, 안 힘들었어요. 멀미는 친구 없어요? 우리가 예림이를 이동하도록 할게요. 우리 카리나 텐션 따라서 올라갈게요. 우리 멋진 못생긴 팀 준비됐어요? 조심히 가세요. 계단 조심. 계단 조심. 계단 조심. 계단 조심. teacher, let's go.
See? Ugly team. You're not ugly. Oh no. Okay. All right, everyone. So my name is Andrew Teacher. So you can say hello, Andrew Teacher. Okay. I come from Ireland. Do you know Ireland? I do know Ireland. You don't know? You know? Okay. All right. Everybody, this is Ann Teacher. So let's say hello, Ann Teacher. And Ann Teacher's from Africa. Or Ann Teacher's from Russia. Really? Where do you think she's from? Where do you think? I don't think so. What about skating? Korea's very good at skating. Yeah. Okay. Now, we cannot go swimming in here. We cannot play soccer in here. So we are going to have our Gwanghee Olympics. Okay. So we have some fun games. So shall
Canada, the USA, Italy, France, okay? Fish and chips. Double decker bus. Jenny? I think so. It looks good. You can eat full English breakfast. Wow, it's a lot of food. What's that? Toast or bread? Egg. Bacon. Beans. Sausage. Tomatoes. What do you think? Does it look good? Yes? I think so too. You can see Big Ben. This is Big Ben. What is it?
Thank you. Put it down again in the middle. Closer. Okay, you ready? Standing up straight, everyone. Are you ready?
Yes!
Really, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. Listen, catch. Huh? Yeah, I said catch. Sorry. Okay. Put him down. Okay. Now. Are we ready? Knees, toes, head, eyes, ears, eyes, head, shoulders, head, catch. Okay. Nose, ears, eyes, head, shoulders, toes, head, shoulders, catch. Wow. It's changed.
So I will do dark blue one, okay? You will do light blue one. You can see numbers here. So it goes 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay? So I will start. Have you been to Jeju? I went to the Doraemon Museum.
Sounds like fun.
It was good. Oh, nice. Let's do one more. Where should we go?
China.
China? Where's China? Okay, here. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Have you been to China?
Yes.
What did you do?
I went to the Great Wall. We'll start. So I have some volunteers. Who can start first? Who can start first? How about Jiu and Youngha? Let's go! Okay, so Jiu, you can look.
You can start the dark blue one. Okay. You can face each other.
And then Youngha, you can look there. No.
You can sit here. Youngha, you can sit there. Okay.
Okay, and let's say ready, action together.
Ready.
Ready, action!
Yes.
What did she do?
I ate home.
Sounds like fun.
It was good.
Okay, who's next?
Who can try this?
How about Henyan and Dream? Ooh. Yay! Birthday. All right, so everyone together? Ready? Action!
Have you been to the USA?
Yes.
What did you do?
I want to Disney World.
Sounds like fun.
It was good.
Okay. Next, how about Yoji and other side? Ready? Action!
Have you been to Canada?
Yes.
What did you do?
I swam and I got out first.
That's right. Fun.
It was good.
Oh, nice. Everyone, guess what? I'm from Canada, and this is close to my home in Canada.
How long?
Maybe 30 minutes by car. So I've seen it many times.
Can I visit you?
Sure.
캐나다 나이아가라 보면 우리 카리나 직접.
Rock, scissors, paper. You can choose.
Where can you go? Where can you go?
Oh. Okay, ready? Action. 서준 start first.
Have you been to Ireland? Yes. What did you do? I was a parade. Sounds like fun. It's good.
Okay. Nice. Let's watch the parade.
You know what? Do you watch the parade? 봐요. 어떤 거 봤는지 친구들이.
그림은 아니야.
우리 얘들아, 아니면 this is what you saw.
Okay. start. What? Just stop. Just stop. There. 3 balls. 3. Okay. All right.
동생이랑 던지는 거네.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1,
되게 귀엽다.
2, 3. Okay. All right. Change teams. Oh, teacher. We'll count at the end. No. We'll count at the end. There's many balls. You got 1 in. It's okay. 앉아.
돈.
You're 0. Sorry. Okay. Sit down. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Alright, change. No. There's a box. Go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yep.
어허.
오케이.
Hey, okay. Alright, you there. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
너무 세요.
Selfie, 살짝. Yes. Okay. Alright.
야, 3대 몇 시야?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Okay. Alright. So let's see who gets the final point. So, team 2, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Team 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Team 1 gets the point. Okay, we're going to finish there, everyone. Let's check our final score. Final score is Team 2 has 8 points, but today's winner is Team 1 by 10 points. All right. Did you have fun? Good. So, we're going to go to our next class now. So, you can bring your team name with you. Okay? All right?
What did you do? Very good. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Well, welcome to your next class. What's my name?
Luke.
Very good. I'm Luke, teacher. I'm going to be your teacher for today. I'm Luke. I'm from America, and I love to cook. I love to cook. I've been cooking since I was 6 years old. I believe so. Around 6 years old, I started cooking. 6 or 7, I have to start cooking.
Baking is one of my hobbies.
Baking class. And what are we going to be making? Oh, wait. This class has a peanut allergy. So we're going to be making some cookies. Cookies. One of you guys is allergic, right? Who is allergic?
영하.
You're allergic to peanut butter. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. All right, everyone. What's that? Cookies. Cookies. Those.
I have to go somewhere before I get on the plane. Where do I go? Singapore? Before I want to get on a plane. So where are all the planes? At the airport. So we're going to the airport. He's so excited. He's so happy. Super happy. So let's pack a suitcase. What? Sunglasses. Cameras. Notebook. Yeah. Yes. Hat. Okay. Binoculars. Yeah. So do you know telescope? Telescope is one. Binoculars. Nintendo or tablet. Shoes. Oh, you really need shoes. t-shirts. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, good. Let's go. I will give you 4 hints. Tell me country name.
어딘지 맞추.
Country name is like. It's number 1.
US.
Europe. In Europe, everyone.
멕시코.
Spain? Are you sure? Are you sure? The UK. Okay. We're going to the UK. We have to fly for
13 hours to
Spain. 14 hours? I'll give you a hint. Let's check the answer. It's 3. 12 hours. So what do you think about 12 hours? It's good? It's long? Not bad. I think too long. I think it's too long. But maybe if you have some game or tablet, it's okay. Alright, when you get to the UK, yes. Yeah, and the bells ring every hour, so you can hear the bells ding dong if you're near there. Do you know what this one is called in English? A special kind of. You can also see Tower Bridge, so it's very famous, old bridge. What happens if a boat is coming? It opens. It opens, right? It opens so the boat can go through. And you can go to Legoland. But we have Legoland in Korea. Teddy bear. What about the teddy bear? We have Union Jack.
Let's Coca-Cola.
Tell me the France flag colors. Which one is first?
Blue.
Yes. Amazing. You guys are so smart. Okay. So I started London. I'm going to Paris. What is the most popular way to travel?
Chocolate chips. Pouring. Very good. Thank you. And then we mix. Mix. Looks good, right? That's a little bit more. All right, everyone. So, how many should we make? How many cookies? Count. How many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So one of them's allergic, so that is 10 cookies.
You can have them like a hole.
Yes. Okay, everyone. A good thing to do while baking is to make holes in the dough. Why? Lets the air out. It lets the air out as you're cooking, makes it a little bit better. Especially with bread, if you guys want to make bread. All right.
One at a time.
One at a time. Come over here. Here. No. Poke. Holes. Like boom, boom, boom. There we go. Holes. There you go. Hole. Like that. See? There we go. All right. Next. Good. Good job. And then rotate. Come. Go. 1. Good job.
This is still watching.
Yeah. But they're still doing good. Good job. All right, next. Come. Let's go. Let's focus on. Let's go.
Next.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, good job. Next.
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 Good job.
Good job.
Okay, when you're done, sit down.
Then sit down, please.
Sit down.
Oh, very good.
I
Next.
can take care of them.
Okay.
Who's next? Please. Okay, next.
All right. How many girls are in this class? How many
Pick
boys
one.
are in this class?
Make holes.
1, 2, 3, 4 boys. How many girls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 girls. There are 6 girls, 4 boys.
Alright. Okay.
So he has a flag.
But he's saying
Yeah, and the bull doesn't like the red. He gets really angry. Okay, you can eat churros. Just like you can eat churros there. And you can go to tomato festival. Yeah, it's a tomato fight. Do you wanna go to tomato?
I want to make one.
Now it's English time. So after your trip, maybe you want to tell your friends or talk to your friends about their trip. So repeat after me, please. Have you been to? Okay, that's right. You can put place name in here. It can be country name. I saw Niagara Falls. It was good. Everyone, guess what? I'm from Canada. And it's close to my home.
What did you do?
I went to Disney World. It was good. Oh, that's good acting. Oh, sounds like fun. Very good. Okay, so it will go like that. Do you said scared? 자생이 team said scared. 자생이 team visit. I like that reaction. Yay. Does it look fun? Yeah. If you go to Ireland, you should try to go in March. Then you come out in March. All right. It's time. Your turn. Okay. Yes, I can see your name. And Colin, let's go. What's your name? Taeyeon and Colin, let's go. Cesar, okay, 1. Where are we going?
Look at her.
Okay. India. Okay. Ready? Action.
I don't
One. You can look here.
Have you been to India? What? Yes. What did you do? I had a
Oh, China.
Have you been to China?
Yes.
What did you do? I went to the Great Wall. Sound like fun. It was good.
Okay,
Delicious stuff.
delicious.
Happy.
Okay, ready? Action. Oh, let's try again. Ready? Action.
Have you been to Turkey?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I ate a kebab.
Whoa. That's a must.
Too much.
Yeah, it sounds delicious.
Okay.
It was good.
Timon, can you read that for me? I'm a vegetable. Huh? Salad? Salad? Ba 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 ba. I am brown on the outside.
Pick one, but don't touch the other cookie. 다른 거 만지면 안 돼요.
Don't touch.
Just look and pick one.
One cookie.
Go ahead. There, what do you see?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
땡줄 쿠키.
가위바위보.
이거 다른 거 만지면 안 돼? 오케이. And move over here. Take one. 오케이.
안 골라 무진아? 무진아 빨리 골라. 냄새가 좋다. 아직 안 골랐어?
선택장애. 그냥 아무거나 골라도 돼요. 다 똑같아요. 네.
똑같아. 맛있겠죠 선생님?
맛있어.
우리 저기 그거 있는 친구.
저 영어.
내가 다른 거.
내 거였어 내까지.
Alright guys, eat your cookie. Eat the cookies.
이거는 선생님 거.
네.
Okay, sit. Stand around the table, please.
먹어?
테이블에서 먹어주세요. 왜냐면 조각이 떨어져요. Okay. How are the cookies?
Yummy.
맛있다.
맛있어요? Yummy.
Yeah.
Very good.
Good.
맛있다.
Nom, 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 nom.
야미 야미 하면서 드세요.
Oh, good for him. Good for him.
It's so good.
Yes.
You can try at home.
Make it at home. It's very easy to make. It's very easy to make. In fact, what's the difference between breads and cookies and all those things? The only difference is how much sugar and how much butter you use. The difference between a pancake and a cookie is just sugar and butter. That's it. That's all there is. Cookies and pancakes and waffles.
필터씨 와서. 난 필터씨야 나. 얼굴 다시 그려.
Ooh, I should make a waffle.
Alright. And eyes and catch. Okay. Sorry. We have a winner. Team 2. Okay. Thank you. So, we have our scores now. Our scores. We have team 1 has 1 point. Team 2 has 1 point. Let's go to our next game. Our next game is called the cloth relay or cloth race. So you've already seen the cloth, right? So very quickly, one more time. Our colors we have. What color is it? Orange.
Pink, blue, yellow, blue, orange, yellow,
Green. Okay. All right.
yellow.
Which one? Let me see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, too many there. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, and teacher has the same. Okay, and teacher's going to put down some cloth. We have 1. We have orange, green. Oh, sorry. Orange, blue, and blue. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, this game is very fun. It is a race. The last thing you need is this. It's my new hat. Does it look good? What is it? Do you know what it is? A basket. It's a basket. Our basket goes here. This game is a relay race. You will race 1 versus 1. Okay? Like this. Teacher will say 3, 2, 1, go. And you go. Go. Down. You must put it in the basket. Go again. Put it in the basket. Go. 1. Done. Okay? You can only pick 1. If you pick 2, you lose the point. Okay? If it's not in the basket, no point. It must be in. Alright? Okay. Alright everyone, are you ready? Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay, Dream, you can go first. Dojin, okay, let's go. Okay, everyone, are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Okay. come together, okay? Don't just stand going, "Woo," okay? Alright. Everyone, we can shout 3, 2, 1, battle. Okay? 3, 2, 1, battle. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, battle! Battle, 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 battle. Okay, going. 3, 2, 1, battle! Come together, 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 come together. Okay, so good. Okay. All right, everyone. 3, 1, battle! Forward, 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 forward to 3. Okay. We're going one more round. Hurry. 2, 1, battle! Okay, Jamin, forward. Forward, forward. One more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Up, 2, 1, go!
Better.
That's it. Okay, point. Jamin, good job. All right. Battle!
오.
Up, point. So good.
연우야 배 걸어 배.
3, 2, 1, point to Youngwoo. 3, 2, 1, battle! Oh, this is the one. Okay, that's last round. 3, 2, 1, toss. 3, 2, 1, toss. Alright, next. Go to big round. Let's inside. Let's say thank you to Ann Teacher, everyone. Thank you, Ann Teacher. Okay, and thank you everyone for coming. I hope you had fun. Let's go, let's go.
우리는 5점 차이. 너무 잘했어요. 7 올라갔어요. 5점 차이 어디서 잡았어요?
갈 때. 자.
조심히 돌아가세요.
자.
나중에 또 만나. 안녕. 저도 씌워주세요.
네?
저
땅콩. 알겠습니다.
안 땅콩이에요.
자, 다 왔나 확인해 볼게요.